Exporting a Palo Alto configuration isn't just a button-click job. It's a structured process that ensures your firewall settings are backed up and transferable. First, understand why this is important. It prevents headaches later. Follow the steps carefully to avoid mistakes. Check if all prerequisites are met, and always verify the exported configuration for accuracy. Because trust me, nobody wants a firewall behaving like a rebellious teenager. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Palo Alto Networks offers powerful firewall solutions, but even the best firewalls need proper configuration handling. Exporting configurations is crucial for backups and migration. Nobody wants to redo all settings manually. Knowing the right way to export saves time and reduces security risks. So, let's ensure you're doing it correctly. After all, winging it isn't a strategy. It's a gamble. Imagine spending hours fine-tuning your firewall settings and then losing everything. Painful, right? That's why exporting configurations is a lifesaver. It allows quick recovery from failures, simplifies migration to new devices, and maintains security policy consistency. Think of it as a reliable insurance plan for your firewall, without the monthly premium. Before diving into exporting, make sure you're prepared. You need administrator access, knowledge of firewall settings, and sufficient storage for the exported file. And of course, always back up your existing configuration before making changes, because the only thing worse than losing your settings is realizing you forgot to save them. Imagine your device as a carefully arranged desk. You wouldn't just dump everything in a box and hope for the best, right? Exporting the device state ensures all your configurations and preferences are neatly packed. It's about compatibility, completeness, and avoiding nasty surprises later. And yes, always double-check before hitting export, because restoring a broken setup is like finding a missing sock in the laundry. Using CLI commands for export is like being a tech ninja. Fast, precise, and efficient. You find the right command, tweak parameters like a pro, and hit execute. The magic happens behind the scenes, and voila, your configuration is packed and ready. Just remember, double-check your exported file, because even ninjas make mistakes. If CLI feels like deciphering ancient scrolls, the web interface is your friendly neighborhood cafe menu. Simple clicks, clear options, and a smooth process make exporting easy. Just select what you need, pick the right format, and download. Store it safely, because losing an exported file is like dropping your favorite coffee right after ordering. Backups are your safety net. Think of them like saving your progress in a video game. Regular backups keep you ready for unexpected glitches. Storing them securely prevents surprises, and encrypting ensures nobody sneaks a peek. Oh, and testing restoration. That's like checking your parachute before jumping. A backup that doesn't restore is just a fancy file. Importing is like unpacking a suitcase. You need the right file, the right fit, and a final check before you settle in. Choose wisely, verify compatibility, and apply cautiously. A successful import means smooth sailing, while a mismatched file, well, that's like putting on two left shoes. Errors happen. It's the universe keeping us humble. If your export fails, check the format, fix permissions, and scan the logs like a detective on a mission. When all else fails, there's always another way, because problem-solving is just part of the tech adventure. Security isn't optional. It's like locking your doors before leaving home. Encrypt your data, restrict access, and keep your files in a safe place. Oh, and always check the logs, because spotting suspicious activity early can save a lot of headaches later. At the end of the day, exporting configurations is like creating a travel plan. You want flexibility, reliability, and safety at every step. Whether using CLI, web interfaces, or backups, there's always a method that suits your needs. Just don't forget security, because nobody wants their data to take an unexpected detour. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.